A blessed morning, everyone. For our daily verse, we are now at Genesis chapter 10, verse 13 to 20. And Mizraim begat Ludim, and Amanim, and Lehabim, and Niputaim, and Pursahim, Ashluhim, out of whom came Philistine, and Kaputim. And Canaan begat Sidon, his firstborn in Het, and Jebusite, and the Amorites, and the Girgasites, and the Hivites, the Arkites, and the Sinites, and the Arbadites, and the Semirites, and the Hamathites. And afterward, the families of the Canaanites spread abroad. And the borders of Canaanites was from Sidon, and the commerce into Gerar, and to Gaza, and unto unto Sidom and Gomorrah, and Adna, and Sebuim, and even unto Lasha. These were the sons of Ham, after their families, and their tongue, and their counties, and in their nations. So this is the descendants of Cam, which is now the modern day Middle East, and we can read here that the place of Gaza already exists even during the period of Cam, and the Philistine are the descendants of Cam.